In this video, I'm going to show you how we prepare a 3-bean salad at the restaurant I work at. You can prepare this with any type of bean you like. I happen to use red and white kidney beans and garbanzos. Start by dicing the sweet bell peppers. You can use any color you want. Small dice some red onion. Open and drain the beans. Give them a good rinse. Small dice some celery. Loosely chop some herbs. I'm using fresh Italian flat leaf parsley and rosemary. Season it with sea salt and black pepper. Now it's time to make the marinade. The marinade consists of sugar, blended olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. Combine all the ingredients together and give it a good mix. Check your seasonings and adjust if necessary. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.